Welcome to NameMaxi. Let's take a look at how to set up your NameMaxi domain landers quickly and start selling. Start by logging in to land.namemaxi.com with the email and password you received during onboarding. Once logged in, you will land on your dashboard where you can start setting up your profile, which includes adding your domains, updating your name, location, and other details. To add your domains, go to the Listings tab and click on Import Domains. You can manually add all your domains by typing it out line by line or copy-paste it from a CSV file of your portfolio. Once saved, NameMaxi will automatically generate landing pages for each of them instantly. To verify your landing pages, update your domain's name servers to the ones provided in your dashboard. This step is key to directing traffic to your new NameMaxi landers. You can add this in at your current registrar to complete the verification. The listings page will show you the status of verification for each of your domains. Alternatively, if the domains still show an error, you can also add a record for each domain manually. When the domains are successfully verified, you will see the status change to live, and the domains will be up for sale. Customize each lander to match your brand. Update background image and edit title and description. NameMaxi's flexibility helps make each domain listing unique and engaging. In the settings, your email and Escrow API key will be pre-filled from the information you provided during onboarding. If you want to make any changes to the discount percentage for escrow purchase, you can do this in Settings. You can also add your Google Tag ID for detailed analytics, tracking visitor behavior, and engagement on each domain. You can choose whether you wish buyers to see your name and location in the public profile by toggling it on or off. This will allow buyers to directly email you for offers and negotiations. You're all set. From analytics, track yearly and monthly domain views, check your analytics for repeated visitors, receive real-time lead alerts, and start negotiating directly with buyers. NameMaxi landers. Make selling your domain simple and profitable. Happy selling.